Zhongxing Assembly Hall was established in 1959. It is one of the most magnificent architecture in the village. Originally, the Assembly Hall was intended to serve as an event hall for government official meetings and reception for foreign guests. Eventually, the building was opened to the public for entertainment uses. The Assembly Hall is a Western-style building with white exterior. The building was inaugurated on Taiwan Air Force Day. This design was inspired by the primary Air Force fighter jet at that time, the Republic F-84 Thunderjet, which symbolized victory and airborne. Similar to many buildings in the late 19th century, this assembly hall has an half-oval-shaped ramp that leads to its entrance. The design of its entrance, arch, pillars, and the gable makes it a classical Western building. The ramp and small round windows give a splendid touch to the building. The original color of the assembly hall was creamy yellow. After years of weathering, the color of the building became whitish. People in charge of maintenance mistaken the color of the building and painted the building white. Eventually, no one remembers the original color of the assembly hall. Nowadays, the assembly hall serves as a gathering place for large meetings, academic publications, art and music expos, and conference hall for NGOs. As a landmark of Zhongxing New Village, Government of Nantou City listed this building as a National Heritage Site since 2011.